Hello friends, I am Saket Bansal, and in this video I am talking about the difference between perform quality assurance and control quality processes. Now, as you know, both of these processes falls under knowledge area project quality management. Now, project quality management knowledge area talks about identifying procedures, guidelines, steps, and to ensure that quality requirements are taken care while working. Now, this particular knowledge area has three processes, and the first process is plan quality management. This process gives us quality management plan, which would be having checklists, thresholds, matrices, which we would be following while doing the project work. Now, once done with the planning, now the time comes for execution. So while executing the project work, we need to ensure whatever we have agreed, whatever we have identified while making the plan get executed. And this work is done by perform quality assurance process. Now, when we are in a process, say direct and manage project work, team is producing deliverables. So when team is working on producing deliverables, how should we assure that they use the right processes, right steps, right procedures, right tools to produce an output which meets the customer requirement, meets the customer quality requirement. Now, this type of work is done by perform quality assurance. Now, perform quality assurance would be coming and checking and doing audit of your work. So there could be a quality assurance team who would be visiting the development team, delivery team, and asking them questions, monitoring, observing the way people are working, and try to provide and may provide compliance ranking that you are complying with the given quality processes or these kind of changes you should do in order to comply with the procedures, policies which we have agreed to. So it's like an ongoing process. So perform quality assurance, the goal of this process is make sure that we do the right work at the first time. We build the quality inside the development process. Rather than we identify the defect at the later stage, we should try that we produce something which goes through the development process directly to the customer. Now, after this, we end up with producing deliverables. So the deliverable is coming from direct and manage project work, but this deliverable will get verified under a process called control quality. Now, the control quality is taking input, quality management plan, project management plan from one side, which tells us what has to be done, and then it takes deliverable, which is coming from the executing process, and verifies it. Is it as per the customer requirement? Is it as per the baseline scope? If it is, it marks the OK on it and say that yes, this is a verified deliverables, and it can be pushed for customer validation, user acceptance, or for final dispatch, whatever is relevant in your project life cycle. If something is not working, it will raise a defect in the form of change request, that these are the issues in this particular deliverables. It cannot go to the customer till the time you fix them. Now, so this is about these processes, how they are different. Now, you might already be understanding that one is executing and another is a monitoring and control. This is something ongoing. This is after I have a deliverable, then only I would be doing. In a perform quality assurance, my focus is ongoing work. I am not verifying deliverable. I am verifying the activities, I am verifying the steps the team is taking to produce that deliverable. In control quality, I am checking the deliverable. I am checking that is this deliverable meeting the customer requirement. While doing this checking, if I find something bad, I raise a change request. In perform quality assurance also, I may raise a change request. But this change request is not about the deliverable. This change request is about changing the process. Because the perform quality assurance may observe that this area is producing too much defects. So we may need to produce another layer of standard operating procedures before it can go to control quality. Now, since I have to do this work, the perform quality assurance would be taking measurement data, observations which are done in control quality process. So because by that only I can do the perform quality assurance can do some analysis and provide corrective and preventive actions recommendations. If we look from a PMBOK language, the output of perform quality assurance, the main output of perform quality assurance is change request. Change request which is more and more focused towards the process correction, to changing the quality management plan, changing the checklist, changing the thresholds, etc. etc. If you look at control quality, it has many outputs, many important outputs. Rather than listing all the things, it produces the verified deliverables, which is like team saying that this deliverable is okay to go to the customer. It also produces the change request, which is again towards the product, towards the defect. It also produces the work performance information, since it's a controlling process group process. So in summary, just keep in mind that one is an executing process and all executing processes are ongoing process, and the other one is a controlling process which takes input from plan, output of an executing process or executing process groups, and then does a variance analysis and find what is okay, what is not okay. So if you have a further query on this topic or any other topic related to PMP, please do visit our forum, forum.eisenbridge.com, and we would be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching this video.